This is question 4 in the foundation calculator paper. The question says, here is a two-stage number machine. Right, so there are two stages in it. It multiplies by 5 and then subtracts 3. So it multiplies by 5 and then subtract or take away 3. And they've actually put that into the boxes for you. And the question says, complete the table. Complete the table. So this is the input, what goes into the first number box, and the output is what comes out. So if, for example, I put 2 in, so 2 times 5 is 10, 10 take away 3 is 7, and that was the output. And they want me to work that out for this, right? 7, if I put 7 in. So if I put 7 in, if the input is 7, 7 times 5 is 35, 35 take away 3 is going to be 32. So what I'll write down here, 32. Okay. Then looking at this other one here, alright, this other blank, I need to work out what should go in if 47 comes out. So if 47 comes out, I need to work backwards through this. So working backwards, I do the opposite. I'm going to add 3 to 47, which is going to give me 50. And then instead of timesing by 5, I'm going to do the opposite of that, which is divide by 5. And 50 divided by 5 is 10. So the input for that is going to be 10. Pretty straightforward, that is. If you break it down into steps and stages, it is pretty straightforward, and you should be able to get full marks in that. Looking at the last part of the question, it says, here is a different two-stage number machine. So it's a different one. That's really important to note. It's not the same as what we did before. And the question says, when the input is 10, the output is 60. So when the input is 10, the output is 60. Complete the number machine. So they want me to fill in this blank here. Right, what's going to go in there? So let's break it down into stages. If I input 10, 10 times 3 is 30. What do I do to 30 to get 60? Several different things that you could do. You could add 30 to it, right? So that's one possible answer. Or you could just times it by 2. 30 times by 2 is 60. I've written both of those in, and both of those are correct possible answers, but I'm just going to put one in there. You don't get extra marks for putting both of them. I'm just going to put times by 2, and that would work. Right, so here is a different two-stage number machine. Input 3 times by 10 times 3 is 30, times 2 gives you 60, and that's your answer for this one.